1, 2, 3, come on.
I'm searching over the internet and saw malls about this abstract wall decor, and the cost is ranging from 3,000 to 16,000 depending on size and design. I'm actually eyeing this design because I want it to be placed to our blank white wall. However, those metallic gold abstract wall decor that I've checked are usually solid and heavy. And so, I came up with an idea to create a lightweight version of this using native plates and a baka placemat. To stick this to our wall, I used no more nails, and I have this Bosnia gold paint, spray paint, and I bought this all from All Homes, which cost me 1,000 plus for everything. So this placemat from All Home is 479.75. This no more nail is 75 pesos. This plate is 200 plus. And this one is 239.75 pesos. And this tiny one is, let's see, is 239.79 pesos. And of course, we have this bronze gold spray paint. Time to paint everything. So this gold paint is the nearest color to the metallic gold that I wanted for our wall. Just a tipid tip, if you wanted to get these items cheaper than mine, then you better go to the Pitan or to Quiapo because there's a lot of native stuffs there. But in my case, it's more practical to get it from the nearest mall than to drive all the way to Manila. The good thing about this DIY project is that I was able to find a lightweight version of what I wanted to be placed in our wall, plus the fact that I saved several penny compared to the actual price of this design in the mall. Okay, so going back, once the paint is dried, I drafted the design in the wall. So just stick it with some scotch tape or masking tape. Easy to remove first because I just want to draft and see if it's balanced, if it looks good. So then, once decided and finalized the location of each, then we can fix it. And now, let me show you the final output of my DIY gold metallic abstract wall decor. Thank you for watching. If you like this DIY, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you can see other DIY and home decor or improvement or even travel on this channel. Thank you!